Hello viewers, MC Conrad here, back again, and as promised, I'm going to do an unboxing video! That's right, I'm going to unbox the Nintendo Switch. But there are some special guests who are going to join me for this occasion, so just stay there and I'll go get them. Oh my goodness. Hey, what's this? Oh, it's a video camera. Hiya folks, Sheriff Woody here from Toy Story. And over there's Jesse. Now we're gonna be helping with the unboxing video. And it's Christmas Eve. For you guys, it's only one more day till Christmas. So, let's get to the unboxing. Are you ready, Jesse? I sure am. Okay, come on, Jess. Let's do this. Okay, so, how does this work? Oh, it says it has HDMI capabilities. Come on, let's open it up. That's right, you guys. Keep doing it. Come on. Okay. Okay. Come on. Come on. Wait, hold on. Oh, silly me. Okay. Okay. You ready, guys? We sure are. Okay, ready? Lift. Wow. What is this? This looks like the Nintendo Wii U gamepad. Well, gosh darn it, Woody, look at this. What? Oh, look at these. What? Oh, look at that. Look at these things. They're so small. They're even smaller than the Godzillas. Wait, what? Yeah, you guys are featured. Oh, that's cool. I agree. Cool. Yeah. Okay. Look, and even Anguirus can play them. Okay. Well, gosh darn it, that is very impressive. What do you think, Woody? Huh? Oh, yeah. Come on. There. Okay, now, oh look! All the health and safety. But you already know the rules. Okay. Let's see. Okay, Jesse, you take over. Okay. Hey, look! This comes wrapped in bubble wrap. Thanks, guys. Let me see. Oh, whoa. Let's see. Wow, looks like a coffee table. But actually, it's the actual console. Okay, let's see what else we have. We have an HDMI cable. A power adapter. The accessories for the accessory for... And now, this. And now for this. Ready, guys? Woody, can you do it? Oh, sure, I can do it. Okay. Whoa, look at that. The cute Mario Bros. Once referred this to as, the ship from Star Trek, but it looks nothing like it. Okay, Michael, we did the unboxing, now you can do the rest. Thanks, Woody, and thank you guys for helping. Woody, would you like to stay out with Michael? I'm gonna go back in the box. Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas, everybody. Okay, Jess, good luck. And she's going back in the box. Here we go. Merry Christmas, Jessie. Here you go. Well, now hold on just a minute. Michael's gonna do the setting up, and we'll be right back for part 2. See ya.